Hello everyone, welcome to Olive Board. My name is Varsha Dhiman. So finally, the aspirants who are waiting for NABARD Grade A 2025 notification. Okay, now you get the notification. Now the time has started. Okay, now you have very limited time to continue your preparation. So this time, like most of the students, will be in a confusion from where they have to do the preparation, from where they have to continue further, and how they would be possible for them to complete their whole syllabus before the examination. So in this particular video, I'm going to tell you about the authentic source and what are the important features that you will get with this particular source. Okay. And I'll also tell you like how you can navigate further, how you will get the opportunity to know about the specific course I'm talking here. So let's talk about. So what you have to do, you have to visit the application of Olive Board. Okay, and when you will visit the application of Olive Board, after selecting the section of regulatory bodies, okay, and when you will scroll down, here you will came to know about a very important and a specific course that will help you to cover all the important topics for NABARD grade A examination. As you all know that now you are having very limited time, so you cannot search and you can note scroll here and there like which particular thing you have to focus upon, what to do and what not to do. This is a time you have to use this particular time for your strategic preparation. Okay, so for making your preparation smoothly and for providing you all the things in a very accurate manner, Board has launched this NABARD Grade 2025 crash course. Okay, so in this particular crash course you will be provided with the live classes. Okay, there will be the live classes to cover your phase one portion, and there will be 50 plus mock test and PYQ papers available for your practice so that you will be able to know like how much you had prepared and what kind of further practices you are needed so that you can score well in the different portions of your NABARD grade A phase 1 examination, right? So you can see here there will be weekly current affairs sessions, as I'm taking your weekly current affairs session on every Friday at 6 p.m. where I'm covering the agriculture and rural development portion related current affairs. Similarly, you are having the current affairs sessions for other portions as well. Okay. And with this crash course, you will be provided with the notes and the magazines also that will help you to revise the portion after the classes as well. And as you all know that the NABARD grade A examination, okay, phase one and phase two. We know in your phase two examination, you will have to face the questions from uh, descriptive English answer writing and from ESI and ARD portion, the descriptive form also. So in this course, we are providing you 20 plus descriptive answer writing session, 100 plus live and recorded session, 70 plus live sessions, weekly current affairs, 50 plus mock test and PYQ papers and notes and magazines, like how you can navigate through this course. So, on regular basis, we are going to have the classes in this particular batch, which is going to start from 12th of November, right? So you can see here, like all the different classes are already added, like the classes for the month of January 2025 onwards. The current affair classes are already added in this crash course. You can take the help of these classes to cover your previous topics. Now, if we talk about the updated and the current affair things, which you are going to have as a course will start from 12th of November. Okay. So if I'm talking, you can choose the option today. So as the course is about to start, so there is no class for today. Upcoming classes, you can click on this option, upcoming classes, and you can see on 11th of November, you will be having your PIB news analysis. On 12th of November, you will be having how to prepare your ESI. And on the same day, I'll take your ARD for NABARD grade A approach and overview. And from that day onwards, your regular classes will be. Okay, and these classes will help you to cover your complete portion of phase one as well as phase two. And there are magazines available. Click on the option magazines and you can see the magazines. You can simply download these magazines and you can read them at the point of time whenever you will be free or comfortable. Okay, you will be provided with ebooks to do your revisions, and there will be tests and notes. So you can take the help of these mock tests, like there are mock tests available. uh, Keep doing the mock tests so that you will be able to check where you are standing, how much you had prepared, and you will be able to get the all India rank so that you will came to know like where you are standing and how much improvements you will be needed further. Okay. And apart from that, you will be having the community section here. So under the community section, whatever the doubts you are having related to the course, related to the subject, related to the educators even, you can post here. Okay. And our technical team or the team that is basically working on this particular session, they will help you to clear all your questions, right? So the aspirants who are thinking of going for the NABARD grade A examination this year, this particular crash course is going to help in all ways. So make sure that you are enrolled here and you are going to do your further preparations with the volleyball. Thank you so much and all.